Well, now we're being told that the latest episode of Let's Get Trump is set to air this Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, where special counsel Jack Smith will attempt to get an Obama-appointed judge to remove even more of Donald Trump's free speech rights. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. So a hearing about what? A protective order? It sounds more like a dramatic subplot in a Netflix courtroom drama. In essence, the Biden Department of Justice's relentless vendetta against former President Donald Trump has taken yet another detour into the realm of the absurd. Let's break it down for those of you who might have missed the hubbub. This will be the inaugural hearing before Judge Tanya Chutkan, quite the popular figure, it seems, enhanced security, criticisms from the Trump base, a real crowd pleaser, if you will. Now, Chutkan has scheduled the hearing for Friday morning, even though Trump's attorneys asked for it to be held next week because of other legal obligations. Talk about a lack of accommodations because she said no. Wonder what's so special about this Friday slot, Now, for the uninitiated, let me explain the apparent sin that Trump is being prosecuted for. He voiced his belief that the 2020 election was stolen from him. Quite the dangerous opinion, right? Very criminal. What's even more captivating is special counsel Jack Smith's argument. He says that Trump had no First Amendment right to comment on the election. Well, that's fascinating to me. Almost like the Democrats are so afraid of his potential 2024 run that they'd label a mere disagreement of the election outcome as a crime. For just a second, let's take a trip down memory lane. Remember good old Al Gore, vocally discontent about his 2000 loss to George W. Bush? I guess complaining about election results was fashionable back then because the government didn't go after him for saying pretty much the same thing Trump said about 2020. What's even juicier is the fact that Smith, known for playing hide and seek with exculpatory evidence, selectively edited Trump's January 6th speech in the indictment to conveniently remove the part where he called for a peaceful march. And here I was thinking I had all the twists and turns in this drama already. And don't even get me started on the discovery information. The law clearly states that a prosecutor must hand over discovery evidence to the defense with ample time to mount a defense. And that's especially true of exculpatory evidence. Unless, of course, the prosecutor's name is Jack Smith and the law is just, a mere suggestion. Which is where we find ourselves today in the topsy-turvy world of Democrats running things. To make things crystal clear, protective orders are not unheard of. They're not a gag order. They're frequently requested and often granted, but it's the principle of the matter. This case is so controversial at best, and these maneuvers by the Biden administration just add fuel to the suspicions of everyone. Now, if the judge decides to favor the prosecution side in all of this, the next steps are quite predictable. The Biden administration wants Trump's trial in Washington, D.C., where he clearly won't get a fair shake. And with Judge Chutkan's track record, well, let's just say I wouldn't want to be in her court when she's my referee. It seems like the objective here is not just a trial, but to silence Trump by letting him speak, but just not about the bogus evidence that they will present against him in court. They know they have a weak case, and they want to make it so that Trump can't point that out by showing the American people what he's being accused of. The judge has ordered no cameras in the courtroom, but I'm certain that all the people involved outside of the Trump side of the equation would love to pull an Adam Schiff and do this entire case behind closed doors where only they get to see what's going on. It's the only way leftists can win anything, by keeping things in secret from the American people outside the room, and we will never know what kind of bullshit they pulled. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your front row seat to the new political theater in the communist states of America. Do enjoy the show. All right, stay informed, stay vigilant, and always remember to read between the lines. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.